Os ddilynwch chi'r Afon Tower ryw 8 milltir lan y cwm o'r Stadiwm Liberty, fyddewch chi I Pontardawe, man gen i'r bardd gwanallt a'r gantores Mary Hopkin. Mae clwb pêl-droed Pontardawe drwyddo I rownd 16 ola Cwpan Cymru I fi mynd I fynd I gwrdd â'r tîm.
It's a massive reward for our young players to get the opportunity to play against Cefn next Saturday is something that all of us are excited to be a part of. And it's what we play football for, obviously, these big games. It's a club that's close to my heart. I played here for 9 years as a player, and to be back as manager and giving these young players the opportunity to be a part of what I feel is a family club is obviously be happy to be proud of.
Dwi'n edrych mlaen. Ni ddim wedi dechrau'r tymor yn grêt, ond ni wedi pigo lan in the last couple of games. Dwi'n edrych mlaen I mynd lan I gogledd a chwarae yn erbyn Cefn. Mae'n siawns mawr oherwydd ni yn Division 1 a nhw yn y Welsh Prem, felly mae'n siawns mawr I ni gyd yn chwarae yn erbyn tîm fel hwnna.
It's a great achievement for us as a club moving forward. Obviously, we had a good success last year in the first time getting the FAW Trophy final. So this year to get to the lowest ranked team left in the cup competition is another big step for the club moving forward.
There's 3 divisions between us, 3 leagues between us. They are a top side. You know, we're a community club really, and you know, where we've got to focus on bringing youth through. We're under no illusions. It's a huge, huge game, but we believe we may be able to do something.
Nid y tîm cyntaf yn unig sy'n mwynhau bach o lwyddiant, mae'r tîm ieuenctid drwyddo i'r cwarteri yn eu cwpan nhw.
We've got 5 lads who are regularly in the first team, in the first team squad, but actually over the last 2 seasons we've had 8 players who've been involved in the squad in one way, shape or form.
Mae tîm ieuenctid wastad yn cael tîm da, ni wedi cael tymor da hefyd. Ni wedi ennill yn erbyn Britain Ferry yn y rownd diwethaf, nawr ni'n mynd lan I wain.
We're really ready for it, and we've done a little bit of scouting, a little bit of trying to find out a little bit about them, and yeah, we're ready to go. Hopefully, ni'n gallu cael ni'n mynd I ennill am hwnna hefyd.
Could be the double here I Pontardawe. Ac yn sicr, un gwyneb cyfarwydd fydd yn cadw llyged barcud ar y sgôr di-Sadwrn fydd y chwaraewr rhyngwladol Lauren Dykes.
She's been an incredible ambassador for Welsh football, but not only that as well, she's been brilliant for our community. You know, last year I knew she was coaching our girls' teams here. You know, she's a massive Pontardawe fan as well, it's in her blood. And I know obviously next Saturday she'll be rooting us on as well.
The 1981-82 season, obviously Pontardawe reached the quarters. Can you see yourselves maybe replicating that?
Yeah, hopefully. I was a bit before my time, but yes, I'm confident that we've got a good squad, got a good young team with, hopefully, boys can showcase their talents and find out where we're at after come the end of the 90 minutes. To get into the quarterfinals, little Pontardawe in the quarterfinals would be a huge thing for our community, for our sponsors, and obviously in terms of, again, from my perspective, bringing youth through and raising our profile, it would be absolutely huge.